Good morning, YouTubers. This morning I am putting some lace on one of my wire baskets to see if I can keep some of those caterpillars off of the waffle garden. I'm sitting here in the shade of this beautiful tree that I call Old Guy. There's a bench here. This bench has always been on the property as long as I've ever known. Kiki is over there laying in the grass. Precious is over this way, near the RV mat. Buddy's hunting over here, hunting grasshoppers and baby toads. On this trip, I have a sewing kit. It's a very small sewing kit. It has a needle, a safety pin, and 2 spools of pink thread, which is very nice because the lace that I'm going to put on this wire basket here is pink. I couldn't have organized that if I'd tried. I bet you've never seen such a small sewing kit. I also have an old pair of scissors. So this lace I have previously used to cover the top of buckets when the seedlings are really small. And I'm just sewing it on here. Little stitches. I'm going to have to get another piece because one piece doesn't quite cover the whole thing. Okay, I've got the wastebasket covered with the lace. Okay, here are the waffle gardens. That one's pretty small. This one's doing okay. This one's doing better. This one's doing the best. So I'm going to put this little covering over this one, and hopefully it's going to keep some of those caterpillars out. Okay, I put a rock on top of it so when blow away, we're going to see how they do, all protected. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you got an idea maybe for a project around your garden. I'll see you again next time. Jesus loves you. He's the exact image of the invisible God. I'll see you again. God bless you. Bye-bye.